How to enhance photo in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enhance and make changes in the photo. First of all, here in the middle, we can see this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. Now, you can select the photo that you want to edit. Tap it from the gallery that you have. Now, you're in this editing platform. Here on the bottom, you can see the option called Tools at the second. Tap on Tools. Now, there's an option called Enhance. Tap on Enhance. Now here's a slider, so you can choose however you like. So you can make the slider and make changes however you want to edit the photo. So the photo might have a different meaning to you, so edit it according to however you like. At last, here on the top you can see the stick button. Tap on the stick button, so the photo has been saved. So this is how you add enhance. Thank you for watching.